Okay, I'm all finished. It took about what 3 days. Because I kept stopping. I was in the process of moving. I wouldn't do it again. Not if someone paid me because my hands hurt so bad. They're really sore. I don't see how people do this for a living. It's really painful. And that's the reason I had to keep stopping, because my hands, it's still cramped up. But yeah, I would do my own hair again. I think I'm gonna keep it in about 2 months and then braid it again. I'll just keep it braided up, and I'm glad that I know how to do this now. I encourage anyone to pick it up and try, because it was extremely easy. I did it my first try, so. And it looks good. It looks like I've been doing this for my whole life, or a long time. And the only thing I have left to do is boil the ends, put it in hot water. But I'm in a new apartment and we don't have hot water now, so they'll be here in in a couple hours, I guess. But yeah, we're done. Hope you like it.